We are going to do some sightseeing. Join us and visit with us in upstate New York today.
That's funny.
Come on in.
Okay.
That was pretty nice of my sister to pick me up.
This is the phone you gave me.
Did you guys go to a hotel?
Yeah, bring it out. Yeah, bring it out. Yeah, bring it out. Yeah, bring it out.
Yeah, zucchini. Yeah, they are tomatoes. What I like about this is that her garden is up.
I can't throw.
But I really need to get gas.
Yeah, that's
But yeah, this house is in there.
okay.
Probably way bigger than, they're almost as big as Harvard College.
Really?
Yeah.
Here we go again.
Here we go again, same old.
We probably drove right by their house.
You probably did.
In Milford?
Oh, I see, Adam, the fly has not left.
He's still in here.
Just to let you know.
That's our buddy from South Carolina.
Have you been feeding him?
Backing around?
Yep.
On the corner.
Here?
Right here,
Really?
on the corner. See, I used to climb up in there and put lights on, and you don't know why I don't like to do lights.
Who's that lady? She's just staring at you.
Get the hell out of here!
Oh, okay. Okay.
Well, see,
I've gotten that down pretty good.
and I told them about that too.
Holding up the roof?
Yeah, because you know those wooden pegs going up the stairs. Listen, I'm 911, here they come.
Great to see you. Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Did you bring presents, Santa?
Size of
I
Aubrey.
am thrilled you're all here.
Yes. Thank you for having us.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
One's Ob, one's Michael. That's how it worked out. This is.
Hello. How are you?
Hello.
And that's our son, Adam. This is Aubrey.
Hi.
Like, what's that
We've-
fuzzy little
we've
guy?
driven-
Him.
Since
You
Arizona.
finally. What time
So
did
I
you guys
have a
get in?
daily vlog.
Really cool. Wow.
So neat.
What a great
Did you see the
idea.
loft
And
up here?
it's a
Look how
perfect
cool.
match.
That's for you, Adam. That's your space.
It's a.
Talk to you later. Goodyear Lake, Cliffside Circle, beautiful view. Right on the dock, right on the water, having some nice food with some family and friends. Just a beautiful night at sunset on the water. Middle of summer. What more could you ask for?
Adam, this has your name on it.
Yes.
How's the boat?
That reflection is superb.
Isn't it perfect?
I'm gonna see where
Look at this. I mean, all them stacked blocks.
Not tonight, but we're gonna have a nice big bonfire here too.
Yeah.
Anything that's out there floating.
It's like what they do.
Yeah.
in Flagstaff. I spoke Spanish. No, and we cuss at each other.
That's all you need.
That's because we drink on the back patio.